Hi guys, I just want to show you how you change the air filter on the Hyundai XL 97. I just remove the filter, the paper made from the right side of the engine. Just clean with the air hose. Now it's clean. And I putting this one, just install carefully in here, and you just need to put the cover, just screw up, and you just make sure, you have to make sure it's all in, you got the screwdriver, and you just tie it up all. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the 4th one. Don't tie it too much, otherwise it's broken easily. Just tie it a little bit. And the last one. And after you finish, you just tie the spring-loaded couplings. 1, 2, and that's all. You can do the filter change. It depends of your engine, and I hope it's helpful for your Hyundai XL. And thank you for watching, and subscribe please my channel. Thank you very much.